Hello everyone, welcome to BPO interview tutorial. And so from today onwards we will be going to start a yellow belt certification training, so wherein I will be posting videos on yellow belt concepts, wherein we will be learning multiple things, and definitely that will help you out to crack the exam for the yellow belt. And at last I will share you the way wherein you can go and complete your white belt and yellow belt both the exams, guys. So before moving forward to the video, I would like everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, and also please comment on what new topic you required a video. Definitely I will work on that, and definitely we will come up with new topics every day. So I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic situation, and I wish everyone to be safe, and please be stay at home and watch my videos. So we'll start with the belt certification, and our first concept will be what is lean and lean management. So guys, this will be going further with Six Sigma as well, so we will be connecting lean and Six Sigma here, but we will start with the basic and we will see what are the titles we will be going to see on our today's topic. So today we will be going to learn about what is continuous and continual improvement. On later videos we will going through lean, then fundamental of lean, then lean principle, then Six Sigma versus lean. Maybe you may find multiple topics in coming days. So guys, what is continuous and continual improvement? So guys, this question may be asked in quality analyst job, or maybe if you're applying for lead role, because this is the main thing which we need to understand, like what kind of improvement we guys are working. So continuous improvement means there will be no interruption, and that work will go for a long period of time without any interruption or without any stop there. And continual improvement, which means it will go for a long time but certain level of interruption will be there. So continuous improvement, which means go and go, and continual improvement, which means start stop strategy. So guys, I hope this is pretty much clear that what is continuous and what is continual improvement. So basically lean and lean management, they basically work on continual improvement method, guys. So continual improvement, which means they will start and certain period of time they will stop, then again they will continue on the basis of the last result. Either they required some improvement, either they required some additional help or additional facilities or tasks need to be added there. So that is the reason lean management, Six Sigma, everything these topics are these concepts are worked under the continual improvement. So what are the examples of continual improvement? Deming cycle, which is also known as PDCA. I hope you guys have seen my last video wherein I have posted about PDCA, plan, do, check, act. TQM, total quality management, top down approach for improvement. Lean, we will be seeing this. Kaizen is nothing but a simple meaning here is small improvement which was done so that there is an improvement in the process, the small changes. Okay, so Kaizen is a very interesting concept, guys. So here we will be working on small concept and we are improving our process. Then the last, which is Six Sigma, which actually worked on DMA, DV and DAMIC. So these concepts will be covered in our upcoming videos, guys, and Deming cycle is already being covered. You guys can go and check my playlist. You will be finding their plan, do, check, act, how this actually work, you will get to know. And later on total quality management, top down approach, lean, we will cover this topic later on. So today we have covered continuous and continual improvement. I hope you have learned this, and it's very easy and we can easily crack our interview if we get this question and differentiation between these two methods. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have liked my Facebook page, the Instagram page, wherein I will be posting many vacancies. And also please share with your friends and help me with more subscriber, and definitely I will give you the best concept that will help you in your interview. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.